Harold Ramis, Chicago actor, writer and director, dead at 69. Harold Ramis not only may be the most successful comedy writer-director that Chicago has produced, but some wouldn't even confine that statement to Chicago. Harold was clearly the most successful comedy writer-director of all time. Harold Ramis, filmmaker who redefined comedy for a generation, dies. Harold Ramis was a standard-bearer for a Lupa brand of humor that grew out of sketch comedy, and he created some of the most popular movies of the 1980s and 1990s, including Ghostbusters and Caddyshack. Harold Ramis, alchemist of comedy, dies at 69. Harold Ramis, a writer, director and actor whose boisterous but sly silliness helped catapult comedies like Groundhog Day, Ghostbusters, Animal House and Caddyshack to commercial and critical success, died on Monday in his Chicago area home. Harold Ramis, Ghostbusters star and writer, dead at 69. Comedy actor and director Harold Ramis, best known for films such as